British woman dies by suicide at Negril police station. Policeman killed in Manchester. St. Andrew man dies at gas station on Mannings Hill Road. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A British woman reportedly committed suicide at the Negril police station in Westmoreland on Tuesday morning. The woman has been identified as 57-year-old Justine Templeman, a resident of San Francisco in California, USA. She was vacating at a hotel on Norman Manley Boulevard in the resort town. According to reports, the woman had been displaying suicidal intentions. The news media understands that early Tuesday, she was attempting to jump to her death from the property where she was staying. She was then taken to the police station out of concern. The woman reportedly asked to use the restroom, and upon realizing that she had not come out after some time, the police went to investigate. She was found dead with a belt of her bathroom robe around her neck. She was pronounced dead by a medical team. A policeman who has been on suspension was killed in Breezy Hill Comfort District, Manchester, Tuesday night. According to reports, about 10 p.m. Tuesday, Constable Mario Thomas was among a group of men at a bar when a lone gunman entered the establishment and opened fire at him. It's understood that he ran, but the gunman continued to fire at him. His car was also sprayed with bullets. The constable's body was found in bushes about 8 o'clock Wednesday morning. His mother states that this is the fourth attempt on his life. More details to come following further investigations. A man was fatally shot as he sat in his car at a gas station at the intersection of Mannings Hill Road and Brother Avenue Monday night. The deceased has been identified as 34-year-old John Lee of a Hollywood Drive address in Havendale. The St. Andrew North Police stated that Lee had a gunshot wound to the head and was pronounced dead at hospital. The incident occurred shortly after 10 o'clock. Business operators reported hearing two explosions in quick succession. The news media understands that an armed gunman approached Lee's car from a vehicle parked on Brother Avenue. He reportedly fired at Lee, then escaped in a waiting car. The police stated that they are continuing with their investigation as they seek to establish a motive for the killing.